What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and today we got a very special package from Archaic Lights for the Miata. And in the last video we custom fitted my NB2 headlights on the NB1. These aftermarket ones I got on Amazon with the smoked housing and lenses, and they look really nice with the angel eyes and really match the silver color. But when you go to the back, we have these OEM taillights that don't match the car at all, because I have a smoked one in the front now. And today we're gonna replace them with these Archaic taillights. I have opened them, but I haven't seen them yet, so this is gonna be my first look at them. So without further ado, let's see what we have inside. We got an instruction manual first. That's really cool. Alright, we're gonna need that. And now let's see how they look. Oh, they're packaged. Alright, so I took them out of the packaging and just look at this. Bro, these gonna look so much nicer on my NB. Just look at this difference. Bro, they're gonna match my headlights so nicely. So let's remove my OEM headlights, taillights, and install one of these. Alright, all we need is a 10mm. One nut right here. Another one here. And then a screw right here. And now we just need to disconnect it. And this thing should pop right out. And there you go. Alright, out with the old and in with the new. All you need is to feed the wires through the hole. Make sure it seals, and then just push it in. Put the nuts on top and the screw right here. There's one. Then the two nuts in the back. And that's it. And as for the wiring, it just clips on. You don't need no adapters, nothing. And there you go, you're all set. So let's take off this thing. And look at this. Oh my goodness. This looks so much better. We have like same angel eyes. So let's check. This is how the brake looks without the lights on. This is the normal lights. This is the brake light with the lights on. This is the turn signals and emergency lights. And this is the reverse. So let's also take this one out and put the other one in. That looks so much better. with these smoke taillights. They're gonna match the headlights so nicely. And the animation when you turn on the lights, it looks so much better. In my opinion, they look really nice compared to the OEM ones with the animations and the turn signals and everything. And now with the smoked lenses in the back, they also match the headlights with the angel eyes. Cannot wait to finish painting this whole car. This thing is gonna look really nice. And I think this might actually be my favorite look of the NB Miata, with the gray color and smoked taillights and headlights with the angel eyes and these lights in the back. Bro, this thing looks really nice. I can't wait to get it painted. But if you want a pair of taillights for your car, go to Archaic Lights and use the code on the screen, or just hit the link in the description for a 15% off for your set of taillights. Man, these look really nice. I'm gonna wait till it's dark outside and I'm gonna get some clips from when it's dark and how this thing looks. And here's how they look at night. Super bright, very beautiful. Makes the whole look of the car really good. Now that it matches my headlights as well. My angel eyes in the front. Also smoked, but with no animations. And this one you can also get with the different animations and different colors. So this will be it for the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.